I'm going to show you how to make a boat today that actually will float in water for a little while anyhow. What you need is a rectangular piece of paper. Now this I used some drawing paper, but here I'm going to just show you on even notebook paper. What you need to do is fold it down in the half in the fashion like this. And then just to know where the center is, I like to take it and just hold it to the other edge and just give it a slight pinch so I know that's my middle. From there, you're going to bring this straight down to the middle, crease it, make it a good strong crease, and then bring this other side, the right side, right up to that edge and crease that down. Bring the first flap up, if you can grab it, just like this. Bring it up to the edge and crease. Turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. This would be a very basic little party hat too, by the way, if you'd want. You could have a little party hat. What you need to do in the next point is you take that you just put together and open it up flat, and you can see these on either side. You need to tuck one inside to the other. It's really not going to make any difference which one, but you want it to lay down flat, and you need to do your creases again, just like that. Take this and fold it up to the top point, crease down, turn it over, and do the same thing on the other side. So you had a square, you're now back to this triangle. Once again, you're going to pick it up, smaller hat, pick it up, bring it out wide and flatten it down, just like this. And this is only going to work one way. There's one side, which happens to be the top here. You're just going to take either side, just like this, and you're just going to carefully pull it open. And you have a little boat, just like that. And if you are going to put it in the water, you need to just force the bottom open a little bit more. Whoops. Force the bottom open just a little bit more so it sits on this surface, and you should be able to float your boat. Hope you have a great time. Thanks.